We managed to engage 4 million children and youth into computer coding workshop. And we're really looking forward for the next couple of years to increase this number of kids engaged in coding workshops, of course, but also of focusing into women, female teachers training.
Africa has the youngest population on the planet, and we need to ensure that our workforce is ready for the future. We cannot talk theoretically about technical skills. The type of skills that the young people are learning through Africa Code Week, it heightens their capabilities to think logically, think sequentially, think in parallel, and to be able to implement learnings that they have in fields of robotics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning.
I think that coding is particularly important for women in the African context, and I'm exceptionally proud of the women this year because 46% of participants were actually women. So that says something about women moving towards technology, not being intimidated by the fourth industrial revolution.
By bringing together government who create policy, industry who work and see the need for the skills of the future, and combining that with education, it's a really, really powerful partnership combination, and it's one that within Camden we see that we can add to, that we can also bring people together in the area, and that's what it's all about. It's bringing people together to benefit others.